Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to this new video. Chapter 2 Data Abstraction for Class 12. We will see one real-time example for this data abstraction. For that, we will take a car. A car is an object. Object is a real-time entity. Object may be a pen, or a pencil, or a textbook, or a table, or a place, etc. If a driver wishes to drive a car, then the driver should know about how to start the car, stop the car, drive, increase or decrease the speed, brake, change the gear of car. These are the things driver should know to drive. Other than this, how this inner functioning of car, how the engine is working, car is made up of which material, these are the things are not needed to know to drive a car. What are the things are needed to start the car, stop the car, driving the car, increase or decrease the speed, brake, change the gear of this car? These are the things only driver needed to know to drive a car. But inner functioning of car or working of engine, then car is made up of which material? These are the things are not necessary to know driver to drive the car. Okay. Then what are the things are required and what are the things are not required? That is a abstraction. Understand? We can see the definition like this. The process of providing only the essential and hiding the detail is known as abstraction. But here, essential means required things. What are the things are required? Detail means unnecessary things, not required things. Understand? Once again, listen this definition. The process of providing only the essential and hiding the detail is known as abstraction. Did you get him? Here, programmers need not to worry about how the code is implemented, how the code is applied to the project. They have to just know what it is does, what it is going to do. That's enough. They have to know. Understand? Then this abstraction provides the modularity. Here modularity means splitting the program into many modules. Splitting the program into many modules. Why they are using this modularity? It is easy to debugging. Debugging means we can correct the mistake. Easy to reuse. We can use anywhere in the program. Repeatedly we can use. For that purpose only they are using the modularity. For this modularity I am telling one example. Here one project modules are given. The project name is Online Railway Ticket Reservation. The modules are Registration Module, Train Details and Schedule Module, Ticket Reservation Module, Payment and Billing Module, Ticket Cancellation Module. These are the modules are available in this Online Railway Ticket Reservation project. Here, those who are working in this project, all of them are not necessary to know internal working of this project. They have to know only the important things of this module and which module they are working. That module also they have to know. Remaining modules they are not necessary to know. This is data abstraction. Did you get me? To apply the data abstraction in the program, we should create two functions. They are constructor and destructor. This constructor and destructor's definitions are constructors are functions that build the abstract data type. What it is? That create the abstract data type, that is a constructor. Next, selectors. Selectors are functions that retrieve the information from the data type. Okay, what is the selectors? It is retrieve, take the information from the already created abstract data type. Did you get? The constructor is creating the abstract data type. From that we are taking the information, that is a selectors. Did you get? For example, we will take city object. Each and every city has their own name, longitude and latitude. These three informations are bundled together in make city function. So we can write as city equal to make city name comma latitude comma longitude. Here make city is the function, city is the object name. Here abstract data type is created. City is the abstract data type because of all information together in the city object. The creation of abstract data type is constructor. Then selector. The selectors are used to get the information from the abstract data type. Here what are the information we can get? Here we can get name, latitude and longitude of each city. So we can write the function like this: get name of city, get long of city, get lat of city. Using get name of city, that function we can get city name. Same way, get longitude city, that function used to retrieve the longitude of the particular city. Get lat of city, that function used to get the latitude of a particular city. Understand? Using these three functions, we are getting the information from the abstract data type. So it is called selector. What's the definition we studied? Selectors used to retrieve the information from the abstract data type. Did you get it? Here is the pseudocode will compute the distance between two city objects. Here 4 lines are given. These 4 lines are used to calculate the distance between two city objects. City 1 longitude and longitude values stored in the variable LT1 and LG1. These variables are getting value using the get latitude city function and get longitude city function. Understand? So these two functions are called selectors. Why? Selectors are used to retrieve information from the data type. So these functions are used to retrieve the data, the values from the data type. So it is called selectors. Same way, city 2 longitude and latitudes are stored in the variable LT2 and LG2 variable. Understand? This is one city, this is another one city. Distance between two cities we are calculated using one formula, Euclidean distance formula. What is the formula? Euclidean distance formula. What is the formula? The square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Did you get me? Then how to write this formula in the pseudocode? Already we taken the values in the variable, is it? How we can write the longitude and latitude values? That LT1 comma LG1 equal to get latitude of city comma get longitude of city 1. Understand? Then same way the second also you have to write it. Then now how we can write the formula? Here x1 is represent the LT1, x2 is represent the LT2. y1 is represent the longitude LG1, y2 is represent the LG2. Did you understand? Now shall we write the formula? Then LT1 minus LT2 the whole square we can write in this language. So we can write the whole square is write double asterisk, right? Then you have to write 2. Understand? Then next plus next term LG1 minus LG2 the whole square how we are writing? Double asterisk then 2. Then whole power 1 by 2. Why we are writing whole power 1 by 2? Because of square root. Square root we are writing the whole power 1 by 2. Is it correct? This way this is working. Here we are explained this on selectors. What are the selectors are here? Get latitude and get longitude. Did you get me? Now we will see representation of abstract data type using rational numbers. Abstract data type already we studied. What is abstraction? Provide only the essential. Remaining it will hide. Understand? Here any program consists of 2 parts. First part is operate on abstract data type. Second part is define concrete representation. Abstract data type means it is the basic functions of the program. That is entire program, whole part. The concrete part explain each individual part of the program. Clear definition of each line of the program. That is the concrete. Understand? Data type is overall representation. What is this? Okay. Here concrete means each line. It explained each line of the program. Did you get? Then this data abstraction they are represented using in rational number. Here rational number we know. What is rational number? Ratio of integer number. Is it correct? This rational number consists of numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. We can write as numerator divided by denominator. Is it correct? Then one example we can here one is 2 examples are there. 8 by 3 or 19 by 23. Did you get it? Here 8 is an integer. Numerator, 3 is we are saying denominator. Did you get me? When we are dividing this one 8 by 3, we are getting value 2.6666 like this value. Okay. We are dividing two integers. Then we are getting the answer in floating point number or decimal number. Here is the pseudocode for representation of rational number using the constructor and selectors. Here 3 lines are there. X comma y equal to colon equal to 8 comma 3. Rational of an comma d. Numer of x divided by numer of y. Here 8 and 3 values are assigned to x and y. Rational of n comma d. N comma d, n represent the numerator, d represent the denominator. Here rational is a function. In this function we are grouping bundle the 2 values, numerator and denominator. So this rational function is the constructor. Did you get in the earlier examples we studied it? The group the information, bundle the information, that is called the constructor. So here rational function is bundle this numerator and denominator. So it is a constructor. Did you get? Then numer of x divided by numer of y. Numer of x is the x means it get the value of x. What is the value of x? Value of x is 8. Is it correct? Numer of y, that is y value is 3. It get the value of y. Did you get? 8 by 3. Now we are getting 8 by 3. These two functions are get the information from the data type. Is it correct? So these are selectors. Did you get? First rational function is group the information together. That's it. That is a constructor. Creating. Making two into one. Creating. Understand? That is constructor. Here numer function is getting information from some other place. So it is a selector. Did you get? Here is a concept, wishful thinking. This wishful thinking is a powerful strategy for designing a program. That means we can imagine and apply to the reality. That is the wishful thinking. In the rational number, we know that numerator and denominator, we are thinking like this. So we are applied to the programming. That is a wishful thinking.